letting the hair flow. I'm gonna let it snow. Just kidding. Hey, what's up guys? It's Josh, the unofficial Disney guy, coming right back at you again with another episode in our series, Eating Like a Walt, where I show you some of the original Disneyland recipes themselves and how to make them at home. So today we're gonna dive right into 1966 in the Creole Cafe, now known as Cafe Orleans, but we're gonna show you how to make the Cajun rice, and in a future episode we're gonna show you how to make the chicken gumbo that you could find back in the day at the Creole Cafe. So go ahead, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell for notifications so you know when we make more Disneyland recipes. Now let's get cooking. All right guys. So, no cap today, letting the lettuce grow, letting the hair flow. I'm gonna let it snow. Just kidding. But what we have here are the ingredients that we're gonna start with. I have some oil, some olive oil, about a tablespoon or so, going in a skillet back behind me. Just bring that up to heat so that we can get this little saute going and brown the rice, brown the vegetables that we have going in this. All right guys, so basically besides the olive oil and some broth we're gonna add, all we're having here is some white onion, that's about a tablespoon, a little bit more than a tablespoon of red bell pepper, 1 cup of a medium grain white rice, nothing special. This is a disrespect to me because I love my jasmine rice, and we're using Disneyland's recipe for their Cajun seasoning blend. I'll have that link in the description below on how to make it, or just the recipe itself. So first we're just gonna get the onions and the red bell peppers into the mix. Get those going. We're gonna get those softened up a little bit. Just a couple minutes, shouldn't take more than that. Next up, we're gonna add the rice into this mixture. It's just like making Spanish rice. If you've ever made traditional Spanish rice, we gotta brown and kind of toast up this rice, get the oil all mixed in. So go ahead and mix this all up. Remember to move it around frequently so that you don't burn anything. We don't want to burn the peppers, we don't want to burn the rice, we don't want to burn the onions that are still in there. And we're almost ready here. We're about just 30 seconds to a minute away. All right, my rice is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and add in 1 3/4 cup of vegetable stock, chicken stock, whatever you got. All right, now that wonderful Cajun blend that we have, we're gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of that in right now. It's gonna smell so good in here. Make sure it doesn't get too clumped up, so you spread that around when you pour it in there. All right, now give it a little bit of a stir. I'm using a spoon because I like to use spoons for like everything. But go ahead and just stir it in there. Be careful not to spill it, obviously, because if you're using a spoon like me, you're probably going to. Okay, once you got it going in a little bit of a boil like this, go ahead and put your lid on top and cover it. Well, about 15 to 20 minutes, so now is a great time to crack open a Ballast Point. Not a sponsor. Yet. Now the reveal. Oh boy. That smells amazing. Guys, this place smells amazing. I'm so excited to try this Cajun rice, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dig right into it. It's so fluffy, it's soft, it's cooked through. Wow. That's amazing. Overall though, guys, it's amazing. This rice is so fluffy and fragrant, and it has that real Cajun vibe to it. Oh, it's great. But go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already, because next week, our next episode is gonna have the gumbo, which is gonna go perfectly with this Cajun rice. I hope you join in on that recipe as well. Thanks for tuning in this week, guys. I'm gonna go enjoy this rice.